He's a phantom.
Young Danny Phantom, he was just 14 when his parents built a very strange machine.
It was designed to view a world unseen. He's gonna catch 'em all 'cause he's Danny Phantom.
When it didn't quite work, his folks, they just quit. But then Danny took a look inside of it.
There was a great big flash, everything just changed.
His molecules got all rearranged. When he first woke up, he realized he had snow white hair and glowing green eyes. He could walk through walls, disappear, and fly. He was much more unique than the other guy, and it was then that he knew what he had to do. He had to stop all the ghosts that were coming through.
He's here to fight
For me and you.
He's gonna catch 'em all 'cause he's Danny Phantom. Gonna catch 'em all 'cause he's Danny Phantom. Gonna catch 'em all 'cause he's